Then we have the Earth. It is the third planet from the Sun. Its atmosphere consists of nitrogen, oxygen, and carbon dioxide. Only planet has much liquid water, which makes it suitable for life. What about Mars? It is the red planet. It's also rocky and it has many volcanoes. The outer planets, we said they are farthest from the sun or furthest from the sun. The planets are gas giant. They are not made of rocks. They are made of gases and they are huge, big. The others were small, mostly made up of gases. They do not have a solid surface. Their cores are very small, not like the inner planets. Their surfaces are much colder than the inner planets because they are far from the sun. They have many moons and rings, which is very important because the inner planets, they have few moons and no rings. What are they? Jupiter, it is the largest and it has a red point as wide as the Earth, and it has faint rings. What about Saturn? It has thousands of rings and it is the second largest planet. Uranus is tilted, so far it rotates on its side. It has 13 faint rings. And Neptune, it is the windiest, and it has 9 rings and great dark spot. So the Jupiter has the red spot, while Neptune has the great dark spot. What is the difference between the inner and the outer? The inner is closest to the sun, hotter than the outer planet. The outer are farthest from the sun and colder. Atmosphere have thin atmosphere and small diameters, mostly gases, but this is mostly rocky. Okay, there is no solid surface. Here it has large solid cores, but here very small cores, few moons, here many moons and many rings. Here short revolution time and here long revolution time. Then we have the flying objects. We have the moons. The moons are small natural objects that revolve around the sun. Around the Earth or around the planets. Okay. Some planets have more than one moon. Earth has only one moon. Mercury and Venus don't have any moon. Dwarf planets, this is like Pluto. No need to know more information. Asteroid, what are the asteroids? They are rock and iron objects that orbit the sun. They are rocky, made of rock and iron objects that orbit the sun. Millions of asteroids are found in wide region between Mars and Jupiter. We can find 1 million of them between Mars and Jupiter, which is called the asteroid belt. Asteroid range in size from as small as city block to the size of the ocean. So they are very varying in sizes. What about the meteoroids? They are pieces of rock that break off of the asteroids and travel through space. So they are from the asteroids. Most meteoroids burn up in the Earth's atmosphere. We see it as a streak of light called meteor. You know the shooting star that we always see? This is the meteor. Okay, the meteoroids that reach the Earth are called meteorites. So they are burnt before they reach the surface of the Earth, and we just see a streak of light. This is called meteor. But the others that pass the Earth's atmosphere and go inside the Earth are called meteorites. Then we have the comets. They are chunks of frozen gases, rock, ice, and dust. Gases, rock, ice, and dust. They are the comet. Okay. The comets pass close to the sun. Part of frozen surface breaks away and turns into gases and dust. So they are, the main point that you should know is that they are made of gases, rock, ice, and dust, while the others were made of rocks. Okay. These particles reflect the sun's light and look like long tails that always point away from the sun. This is the shape of the comet. Okay. Okay, then we have the stars and the type of galaxies. What is the meaning of astronomy? Astronomy is the study of objects in space and their characteristics. Who are the astronomers? They are the scientists who study the space and everything in it. They are called astronomers.